Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as Jade from Mortal Kombat on Dress and Press. I did like the newer version-ish. So let's get started with the video. Again, I'm going to be doing everything except for the adjustments. I will show you guys though. I selected this hair and colored it black. Did only bangs and I didn't do any accessory adjustments on that. I did this hair in black, no adjustments. Then this hair in black as well. In the toggle animated, positioned it the same, but I scaled it down to 0.16. Then I used this headband, colored it this color 06593E, and I positioned it at Y.54, Z.56, rotated it at 0.05 and scaled it down to 0.23. For the outfit, I am going to use the Sabrina Carpenter bodysuit for this. Where is it? If I can just find it. Oh, here it is. Second toggle, turn off kiss. Select that color again in silk, and then select the second one, your body color. Then I'm going to just grab this in the top toggle. Color the first one your skin tone, and then the second one the same in silk. And then after that, I am going to go to VIP for this, because I do need this one in this green and then in this brown, 3E3229, like that. Then I'm going to use this bracelet in, did I use it as green or gold? Sorry, I'm like forgetting what I wore sometimes. What I wear, I mean. I think I did it in gold for both and then green. And then I used this bracelet outside in gold and green, like this. And then I used the fingerless gloves from VIP. I need to remember what I'm wearing, honestly. In the first toggle, in that green and silk as well. Then I used this second toggle in green. I actually colored this brown. I just remembered, like that. And then I used these chains outside of VIP, these ones, in the same color as the chains and the gold bracelets and stuff like that. And we're just going to go to the dressing rooms to find more of the items that I need. I need this one. I'm just going to color it brown in metallic or silk even. Color that brown again, and then gold in like metallic. Then that same gold again. Then I used the green leg warm, well, these leg warmers in green and silk. Then I also added the socks, just the like classic socks here. I'm just going to color it like this brown color in like metallic. Then I'm just going to add in this one, the X, in on shoulder, turn off the X, and I just colored it green and brown, or you can do gold, I guess. And that's it. You can add more stuff to it, but this is just like the base layer. I forgot to use the matte material on this, so there's no lines, but that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.